The following report contains some disturbing images.
This is what's left of the unfinished hospital in Rabia after RAF airstrikes helped Kurdish forces capture it. IS militants held out here for 3 days. It was the first attack by the RAF in Iraq. The Kurds say it sped up their operation. The bodies of Islamist fighters still lie rotting in the ruins. But the Peshmerga took heavy casualties too. 2 weeks earlier, we happened to film one of their special forces commanders, Sheikh Omar Babkai, on a trip to the front with President Masoud Barzani. Sheikh Omar and 9 of his men were killed in a single incident in the battle for Rabia. And this is where Sheikh Omar died, round on the east side of Rabia. On that day when Rabia fell to the Peshmerga, ISIS forces launched 7 suicide vehicle bombs against the Peshmerga here. The deadly one was an armoured truck. It got through because the Peshmerga say they did not have the right armour-piercing weapons to knock it out before it got them. After losing Rabia, the IS militants launched a big counter-offensive on the same front. But the Peshmerga were ready. They turned it into a killing field. We saw at least 20 corpses sprawled in the dirt. Some had been blown apart by their own suicide vests. On this body, the detonator was still clearly visible.
And then our next move.
Kurdish leaders, including President Masoud Barzani, are planning more offensives. They're fighting for Kurdistan, but top officials say they're also fighting for the whole world, but not being given what they need to beat IS: anti-armor weapons, tanks, helicopters.
We are not getting what we need. It's going to be a very tough fight, and we are going to lose people. You know, we are here, our Peshmergas are here, they are giving their lives. And all we need from the rest of the world is to help us with the effective weapons to protect these people that are actually fighting on behalf of them. They're fighting these terrorists that have come from all over the world.
The Kurds are grateful for the airstrikes like those at Rabia Hospital, but they feel the world should be doing a lot more to help them win this deadly struggle. Jim Muir, BBC News at Rabia in northern Iraq.